Welcome to the channel Naturally Care and Cure. Just water alone accounts for about 60% of our body weight. This fact alone is sufficient to highlight the importance of water to human body. So sufficient water intake is must. However, what about taking water during, or even before or after meal? Lot of confusions seem to be here. Let's dive in to clarify all your doubts. So should you drink water during meals? Let us try to answer this question both from the ancient and current medical science perspective. Once we eat food, it reaches stomach, the main digestion area of our body. In Ayurveda, the popular ancient medical science, there is a concept of Jathar Agni, which means digestive fire. Ayurveda does not mean Jathar Agni as literally fire. It is just to visualize, we use the symbol of fire. Rather, what Jathar Agni means is, it is the main force or energy that breaks and digests food we eat. According to Ayurveda, a large amount of water will douse Jathar Agni. If you look at from the current medicine science perspective, what it means is, a large amount of water will dilute gastric acids produced by the body to break and digest food, and as a result, the body will have hard time digesting food. Perhaps you know, acids are measured on a scale known as the pH scale. It goes from 0 to 14. 0 is the most acidic, 7 is neutral, and 14 is the least acidic. Gastric acids have the pH level of 1 to 3. So as you can see, gastric acids produced in our stomach are highly acidic. One more important thing. Gastric acids also acts as the first line of defense against pathogens and microbes that could be in food by killing them, which otherwise could make us ill. The other problem could arise if we drink too much water with food is bloating. Often we eat until we feel really full. On the top of that, if you gulp down a couple of glasses of water, you could feel really bloated. In fact, stomach could be so full, there might not be enough space to mix and churn foods with gastric acids, and break and digest them properly. Ayurveda says, it means not to drink water at least half an hour to 1 hour before mealtime and at least 1 to 2 hours after meal. Now let's look at this piece of advice from current medical science perspective. Look at this graph carefully. As you see from the graph, after half an hour of taking water, more than 50% water will have left stomach, and after 1 hour, more than 80%. So if you drink water before half an hour to 1 hour before meal, most water will have left stomach, and hence there will be no issue of stomach acids getting diluted or feeling bloated. On the other hand, remember, if you drink water during meals or after meals, that water can only leave stomach if solid foods leave stomach. As you see from the graph, at least for the first hour of eating food, very little food will leave stomach, and water drank during this time will remain in stomach. This could dilute stomach acids or make you feel bloated. If you drink after 2 hours, most foods will have been digested and a lot of them will have left stomach, and water you drink during this time will leave stomach with the remaining food and there won't be any problem. One note here. Ayurveda does not restrict from taking some water during meals depending upon what kind of thing you are eating. If you eat water-rich foods, you should not drink water before, during, and after a meal. On the other hand, if you are eating dry and hard foods, taking some fluid will in fact aids in digestion. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe the channel.